What is up, YouTube? Besides the temperature, because it's like 75 degrees and I'm not ready for this. Actually, I'm ready for it, I'm just not ready, if that makes any sense. Anyway, back on one of the regular spots that y'all have seen 1,000 times before, but this time there's water in it, so there should be more fish in it, and there should be more big fish, because I need more big fish. Anyway, about this time of year last year, I was up here with Creek Fishing Adventures. Started out a 2-day video called Monsters in Flooded Creeks. I'll leave a link in the description to that video if you want to check it out. But we flat put a hurting on them. We put a hurting on them. We hurt some feelings. He lost one blue cat up here that first day, easily over 30 pounds. Caught one that was his new PB that was 26.5, and I caught one that was 26.8. Big white bass, big crappie, stuff like that day too. But all I've got is some night crawlers for bait, so I'm gonna get down here, catch some bait, and get some lines out. Kapow! And might I add, finally washed this thing for the first time since July. I mean, look at them rims. They're still dirty. Look at that paint. Still dirty. Look at them tars. Still dirty. But she clean. That don't make any sense. But yeah, it's been like July or August since I've washed my poor vehicle. It's an outdoor thing. It's a fishing vehicle, hunting vehicle. Well, not so much hunting vehicle anymore, but it's a fishing vehicle. Gotta go on adventures and get dirty every now and then. I need what's out there. All right, I'm only gonna bring 2 rods down here with me. A bait pole and 1 catfish rod, because I don't have a whole heck of a lot of room to work with down here. So, yeah. Who knows what could happen? Who knows? Ow. Stick sharp. Oh shit, really, that thing's sharp. But yeah, this is the same creek that y'all seen me fish several times over throughout the winter. And it's one place that I will hit quite a bit because it's close to work, and I can come up here pretty quick after work and try to catch one of them big old Mac Daddy freak nasties. Because I've got one video that I need to edit where I don't even have my mic plugged up. So I've got one video I need to edit where I only caught 1 fish, but I was just laying waste in hook sets. They're just coming off. But anyway, got a little crankbait tied on, so might as well throw it around a little bit just to see. I know somebody's like, why is he throwing a crankbait on a spinning setup? Because small crankbaits like this little Berkeley Square Bowl 3.5 work just fine on a spinning rod setup. Now if I want to use like a deep diving thing, it goes like, you know, 12, 14, 20 feet. No, I'm not going to throw that on a spinning setup. Fish. That's some pretty good fish. He's not real big, but we'll take him. He's a little stunned from that massive hook set I put on him, and he is in the mouth. The hook's right yonder, so that is not a snagged fish. That one hook did get him right there in the side a little bit. Good healthy fish. Good chunky thick fish. Where's my phone? I'm not skunked. Ooh, that was nice. Anyway, let's get that one back. Oh, sorry about that belly flop. Well, y'all think I'm joking. Like, whenever I accidentally belly flop a fish, I'm genuinely sorry that I did that. It's been a minute. Finally getting a chance to get out here and fish a little bit. Same spot that I caught the carp on in the previous video. Not nearly as much flow, but the water has come up about another foot, give or take. And it's taken up a lot of my space to work with over here. So I'm going to have to figure out where I'm going to put what rods and go from there. There's a lot of stuff in here right now chasing shad. So I've got one rod rigged up with a rooster tail, like a 3/8 ounce rooster tail. Hopefully catch some skipjack if that's what's chasing in here, white bass maybe. One live bait rod that I'm going to put night crawler on and chuck it out here to this flat area where I caught the carp at the last time, and a catfish rod that I have yet to figure out where I'm going to put so that it doesn't get drug off. And I'm going to chuck it as far out as I can into the deepest I can find, and hopefully find one of them big whisker heifers. Anyway, let's get set up and try to catch some fish, because it's getting hot and I need some fish. I've only got about 2.5, 3 hours maybe before I'll have to head back. But I already feel like I'm going to need sunscreen before too long. And of course, I don't have any with me. I quite literally looked at someone. What the heck was that all about? Got fish on. That did not take long. And that is catfish bait that got away, kind of. Actually, where's my net? I can still get that. He knocked him. Well, never mind. He knocked himself out. I could have got that with my net if I'd... because these 2 or 3 skipjack that I've ran into, it felt like I just ran into a stump or something. It didn't feel like a bite, nothing like that. Oh, that is a big skipjack. And he threw it, dang it. That sucks. Whiz. Like from this side, as long as I've got it on this side of the rod, I'm good. Small skipjack. God, dadgummit. I don't have my freaking hook sharpener with me. Well, that one's good and sticky. That one's good and sticky. That one's good and sticky. You know what I think I need to do is just take this leader that I've got on here off, because that stretch can be part of my problem too. No. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do, because I think this is 10-pound fluorocarbon, or it's either 10-pound fluorocarbon or 10-pound mono. No, actually, I know what that is. That's 12-pound mono. Because I was originally intending on using this as a rod to catch some carp on today. And I didn't want to risk running into rocks and whatnot, so Dang it. I tied on a mono leader. And now that I know these skipjack are in here as feisty as they are, that stretch from that leader material is hurting me, because that's what, 3, 4, I don't know, numbers are hard, don't judge me. Skipjack that I've lost. Alright, the hooks are good and sticky, that I know. I mean, I've got my hook sharpener up in my vehicle, but it's not on me, and that's the problem. Got it. Do not come off. Do not come off. Yeah, you're on there good. Gotta touch it, make it count. You are going to go in the cooler. Ow. Tips of those hooks are still close enough to be rude to my fingers. Alright. I really wish I had some ice with me, but I don't. Oh well. It'll be going in the freezer as soon as I get home. Alright, well, wasn't exactly a barn burner. Fish biting start. Alright, well, wasn't exactly a barn burner. Got the one skipjack that I ended up using for bait. Lost like 4 or 5 more of them, which just getting into them that good was, we made the trip, if I'm being honest, because skipjack, like I said, they're called Tennessee tarpon for a reason. They hit like they want to make a ham sandwich out of your bait, and yeah, they fight hard, even on, you know, regular bass tackle. I don't know if I'm going to make a video out of this, but if you're seeing this, I ended up doing it. It'll be a shorter video, of course, but hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Pow.